Hi guys, okay, we're going to talk today about the 9:15 position. Let me keep my copy here. Okay, so 9:15 or 10:10 position. Basically, it means that the steering wheel is in this position. Basically, if you see on the steering, there is these two lines. So, like how there is on the clock, it could be 9:15. So the 9:15 position basically, or the 10:10 position, like how I said, it's important to know this is because basically when we are driving, you need to be most of the time in the 9:15 position. So basically you are keeping your wheels straight, but as you know, the roads are not straight, so we have to steer accordingly. But these are power steerings. All the latest cars all have power steering, so basically you don't need to move the steering a lot. The more you turn the steering, the more it will be tough for you. So the less you try to steer it, and the more slowly you try to do it, and you have to feel it, the better it will be. Okay, so the feel it part is very important. You need to feel it. Okay, so basically, see, if I'm driving, when you need to not, like, say for example, like how I said, all the roads are not straight, so of course we have to move the steering. But if you do keep doing this, it's very bad, so you'll have to keep. So basically it's like the Newton's third law. It's like every action has a equal and opposite reaction. So basically, if you do this, you'll have to do this. If you do this, you have to do this. Come back in the 9:15 position. Okay, so basically that's the whole point of the 9:15 position, is to tell you that whenever we drive, whatever position we might go, we come back to this position, because the tires are straight. We need to go straight all the time, even though the roads are not straight, right? Okay. So also it's very important to not move it a lot, like how I said, so that it doesn't dance. The vehicle will just dance if you keep moving it a lot. So like, say for example, you have a slight curve coming in front. All you need to do is basically slide that and then slightly back. Okay, if you're turning, of course you're going to turn more, but when you're not, like you're moving on the road, even a slight turn like this, then you're back on the road. Okay, now if you see the wheel of the car, it sits straight towards the road, right? It's facing straight to the road. So that's because we are in the 9:15 position. So this is how it looks in the front when it's in the 9:15 position. Like when I said the tires are straight in the 9:15 or 10:10 position. See the steering and see the tires. Okay, and then slight turning and then turning back and getting back straight on the road.